I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make sure that your C-section scar heals very nicely and is virtually invisible. So everything that we are going to talk about in this video, you are going to start doing after the stitches are already out. While the stitches are still in, you do want to give the wound a nice little massage to make sure nothing gets adhered. It should be very light. You don't want to rip any stitches out or separate the tissue. If you do want to see a video of how to do this massage, let me know in the comments and I will make that for you. But anyways, let's get into it. So once the stitches are out, you're going to start applying these band-aids to the wound. So these are hydrocolloid gel band-aids. This material, hydrocolloid, is the best material for wound healing because it is able to keep the wound nice and moist, but at the same time it is also able to suck up any extra gunk or anything if anything comes out of there. So you can keep these on for up to 7 days. Usually for my patients I tell them like 3 to 4 and then they can change it. Do not be alarmed though, because once you do remove this band-aid, it could leave a yellow residue on the wound, and that is completely normal. And you want to do these band-aids for about 2-3 weeks until the wound is nice and pink. Once the wound is nice and pink, you're going to discontinue using the band-aids and you're going to start using the silicone scar tape. This is reusable, so once you stick it on, you keep it on, you take it off to take a shower, and then you can stick the same piece of tape back on. It usually lasts about a week or 2. At that point, once it's not sticky anymore, you're gonna take a new patch. You wanna apply this for at least 4 months, usually 6, the more the better. These silicone scar tapes are actually proven, there's many studies done on this, to reduce scar tissue, reduce scar visibility, and it promotes better healing of the tissue. If you missed the initial healing stages, but you're still unhappy with the appearance of your scar, there's still hope. You need to start using this oil. This is great to minimize the appearance of scar tissue. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply a thick layer of this on your scar, and you're actually going to wrap your stomach in saran wrap, and you're going to leave that overnight. You want to do that several times a week, like 3 to 4 times a week, until you reach the desired appearance of your scar.